guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is my mommy Dearest here. She allowed me to do her makeup, child. We are doing a glam makeup. So as always, I start off with my eyebrows. This is from the crayon case, a dark brown eyebrow pomade, and I'm just gonna outline her natural brows, and I'm gonna fill those in and clean them up with some concealer. Using this palette from Dose of Colors, I'm going to use these shades for my transition color. I'm just going to start in the outer corner of her eye and work it into the crease. Now I'm blending that product up towards her brow bone, and I'm also smoking it out towards the center of the eye. I'm going to tap this shimmer color into the center of her eye and also blend it in with the brown.
Of course, I got to do it all. I'm like, hell no. And then Kevin said, Bridget, I'm proud of you. He said, I work out every day, and that was hard for me. And I'm trying to tell Stanley, I'm like, Stanley, it's hard. Oh no, I would have been. But I thought y'all did that in Dominican.
Once the eyeshadow is on, I'm going to do a classic wing liner and pop on some lashes. Okay, y'all, so I'm doing my regular foundation highlight and contour method routine. So I'm just let it do what it do. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. So I'm just stop talking now. But thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you think I look just like my mother, definitely let me know in the comment box below, and thumbs up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Everything will be listed down below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.